आमच्या युथ EBBK महासभाचे युवा परिषदचे नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट तसेच आमच्या भाऊसाहेब विजन इंडियाचे मेंबर त्यांना एक जबाबदारी दिली होती. आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनमध्ये नवीन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनमध्ये आम्ही एक नवीन प्रयोग करणार आहोत. प्रत्येक खेपेला प्रत्येक कॉन्फरन्समध्ये काय तर एक नवीन करायचं आपलं जे करत आलेलो आहोत त्याप्रमाणे ह्या खेपेला आम्ही क्लब सुरू करणार आहोत. क्लब म्हणजे काय की जिथं भाऊसाहेब विजन इंडियाचे क्लब नाहीत. समजा आता दिल्लीमध्ये मला बरेच वेळा सारखं विजनबद्दल विचारत राहतात. आज सुद्धा सकाळी फोन होता KV रावची मुलगी प्रीती राव म्हटले की मी इथं क्लब नाही आहे आणि मला विजनबद्दल फार अपार प्रेम आहे, मी सुद्धा काही काम करू इच्छिते विजनमध्ये. असे जिथं वेगळ्या वेगळ्या ठिकाणी जिथं मेंबर्सना इच्छा आहे मात्र तिथं क्लब नसल्यामुळे करू शकत नाही, त्यामुळं हे क्लब तयार केलेलं आहे. क्लबमध्ये प्रत्येक महिन्याला आमच्यासारखं मेंबर्स क्लब तयार होईल. ते मेंबर्स प्रत्येक महिन्याला स्काईपवर किंवा जे टेक्नॉलॉजी आता अवेलेबल आहे त्याच्यावर प्रत्येक महिन्याला फिक्स्ड टाईमला फिक्स्ड डे त्या टाईममध्ये 1 तास बोलतील. त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा गेस्ट स्पीकर असतील आणि इंटरॅक्शन असेल. क्लबवाले सुद्धा प्रोजेक्ट करू शकतात. हे ट्रायल अँड एरर बेसिस असल्यामुळं पहिल्यांदा मी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनमध्ये घातलं होतं आणि आज माझ्या जनरल बॉडीची मी परमिशन मागतो की आपण क्लब करावं का. थँक्यू. क्लब आपण करणार आहोत आणि इथंच आता इन्स्टॉल करणार आहोत क्लबचं. त्याच्याकरता मी बोलवतो वर स्टेजवर डायसवर बोलवतो श्री सतीश जाधव. कुठं असतील त्यांनी लवकर यावं. सतीश जाधव. येस, जोरदार टाळ्या वाजवा मित्रांनो. सतीश जाधवने हे नवीन उपक्रम घेतलेला आहे. क्लबची जबाबदारी घेतलेल्या सतीश बद्दल 2 मिनिटं बोलू इच्छितो. ह्या माझ्या लाडक्या भावाने काय काय अचीव केलेलं आहे. नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून ज्यावेळेला त्यांना युवा परिषदचं अपॉइंट केलं, मित्रांनो मला वाटत नाही की EBBK महासभाचा अध्यक्ष 5 वर्ष होऊन मी जेवढं काम केलं ना ह्यांच्या एवढं मी काम करू शकलो नाही. या सतीश एवढं मी काम करू शकलो नाही. एवढं काम या सतीशने केलेलं आहे. जे तुम्ही आता तेव्हा बघितलं होता की महासभेचा डॉक्युमेंटरी 1 पैसा सुद्धा महासभेला नव्हता, सतीशने हे तयार केलं आहे डॉक्युमेंटरी. ज्यावेळेला सतीशला म्हटलं की मला डॉक्टर्स फोरम करायचं आहे, सतीश कधी नाही मला म्हणाल नाही. डॉक्टर्स फोरम करता सिंहाचा वाटा सतीशने उचललं होतं. पहिलं डॉक्टर्स फोरमचं मीटिंग जे होतं फॉर्म झालं ते 5 स्टार हॉटेलमध्ये त्यांनी विदाउट 1 पैसा खर्च न करता EBBK महासभाला खर्च न घालता त्यांनी तयार केलेला हा सतीश आहे. युवा परिषद म्हणजे सगळ्यांना विसरून गेलो होतो. ज्यावेळेला ह्यांना अपॉइंट केलं त्यामध्ये जीव आला. सगळ्या इंडियाभर त्यांनी आपले स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट केले, मेंबरशिप केलं आणि पहिलं युवा परिषदचं कॉन्फरन्स त्यांनी बಳ್ಳारीमध्ये केलं सतीशने. हे अचिव्हमेंट सतीशचं आहे. किती सांगू, आठवण तर येऊ शक्य नाही. ज्यावेळेला क्लब करायचं विचार आलं त्यावेळेला माझ्यासमोर फक्त सतीश दिसला आणि म्हटलं की सतीश तुम्ही ही जबाबदारी करायला पाहिजे. त्यांनी आता आपलं काय काय केलेलं आहे 2 मिनिटात सांगतील आणि त्यांचे मेंबर्स कोण आहेत त्याबद्दलही थोडक्यात माहिती देतील. आणि इथं आम्ही इमिडिएटली क्लब आता इनॉग्रेशन करणार आहोत. यासाठी अजून बरेच अचिव्हमेंट आहेत. वेळचा अभाव असल्यामुळं फक्त काही हायलाईट तेवढंच मी सतीशबद्दल सांगितलं.
Thank you, Narendra-ji, and thank you all. Let me start with congratulating Dr. Dilip Dharurkar as a National President. And it's my privilege on this occasion, on this platform, to be installed an E-Club, the first club. So normally, once national team has been installed, they will go back to their places and they will get installed in their locations. E-Club, it's a virtual club, it's a global club. So it is a privilege that this team, this club has been installed right here, right now, in front of all of you. To start with, as Narendra-ji was mentioning, it is a brainchild, it's a thought, it's an idea of none other than our leader, Narendra Tapaskar-ji. Though he looks, he's senior, but his thoughts are very young, very youth. So E-Club is a thought. You should have normally come to the youth, the people technology savvy, who are in IT. But the thought came none other than our leader Narayan Rao Thatoskarji. So it's just not the E-Club. There are many, many initiatives which you have taken in Mahasabha as well as in Vision. Doctors Forum is one of the thought. Is a very novel thought. Doctors Forum, you might be surprised to know there are around 600 to 700 doctors across India from Bhavsars. They are in all specialties. And it was his thought that, okay, we should get all the doctors in one platform. That's why he started Doctors Forum. He told Satish, we have to do Doctors Forum. And we have Doctors Forum in 3 states now. So similarly, we had Yuva Parishad. So he said, we need to have Yuva Parishad. So we have Yuva Parishad everywhere. Now is again a thought of E-Club. Now we are installing here on E-Club. Let me start with the thought. What E-Club is? E-Club, like you have iPhone, iPad, iPod, something like that. E is nothing but electronic. Okay? Electronically connection. So the tagline for E-Club is connecting global Bhavsars. So Bhavsars are across the globe, but Bhavsar Vision India is in India, and they have physical clubs across the cities. Sometime back, 2 years back, in the same Pune, I requested Anilji and the board members, instead of Bhavsar Vision India, BVI, it should be Bhavsar Vision International. Right? So BVI we already have, so it should be Bhavsar Vision International, because Bhavsar Vision is no more constrained only to India now. Now we have gone global. The Dharukarji was telling, he has also promised that he will not only take care of Bhavsars in India, but globally. So that's where we are extending our arm, not only to India, but to globally. There are Bhavsars in Canada, UK, US, across the globe. So we are not only calling Bhavsars, okay, join with us to help or to support the other Bhavsar from India, but also from globally. So this is E-Club, is for electronically global virtual team. Manish, can you just start? So I will welcome you all to Bhavsar Vision International. As I rightly said, Bhavsar Vision International, it's an electronic team, electronic club. It's nothing but any other club. So we'll have board of directors, we have board meetings, we have speeches, we have speakers, we have projects, everything. It's nothing but extended arm of one more club. So we have 43 clubs as on today. This is the 44th club we are launching or installing today. So E-Club, one of the advantage. What is the advantage E-Club? Why we have put in a green? E is electronic, so you don't have to use any of the hard copies or anything. It's a green initiative. So electronically communicate. All of you have emails, WhatsApp, phones, everything. You don't have to spend anything on this. It's a green initiative of Bhavsar Vision India. We can call it as a green initiative of Bhavsar Vision India is an E-Club. So as I said, it's a global virtual club. So people can connect. So there are exactly he was mentioning. So there are people in Delhi, people in Gujarat, people in Raigad, people in Raichur, people in Canada, US. They are isolated. They are on their own business. They are on their own job. But how do they connect it? Do they really need to be in Pune or Bangalore or Hospet or Hubli to be part of the part of the Bhavsar Vision India? That was the disadvantage so far, right? So unless you have 10-member team or 15-member team to be sponsored in one particular area, you cannot have a club. But now that question has been answered. Now we have E-Club, people sitting in their place. For example, Delhi, Preeti is there, Preeti Rao. And in Bangalore, I am there, Rupa. So we're all distributed. But still we want to do something for the Bhavsars, and we are giving an opportunity or a platform to be a part of the E-Club so that we can work electronically, virtually, globally. Very important is globally. You can be any part of the global and be connected part of this club. Okay, so you might be thinking, what is this E-Club will do? We already have so many clubs. We have 54 clubs or 45 clubs across India. So what is the E-Club is going to do? Our vision and missions and objectives is very simple, very, very simple. Our vision is connecting Bhavsars globally. We connect Bhavsars wherever they are, from their house, their offices, in their comfort. we connect bouncers globally. To leverage the friendship, service, leadership, to promote the objectives of trust, the objectives of Bouncer Vision India. The objectives of trust is simple: education, healthcare, and entrepreneurship. So this E-Club will work towards as an extended arm of BVI Club to promote the objectives of the Bouncer Vision India and the trust. What is mission? Mission of this club is very simple again: to create a band of dedicated global visionaries. We already have visionaries in India, so we try to create global visionaries who can contribute, who can promote, who can support the objectives of the trust and the objectives of the vision. So again, the objectives are three simple objectives. We don't have any other objectives than what Bouncer Vision India has or the Bouncer Trust has. So we have taken the three objectives which is already defined by the Bouncer Vision Trust, that is healthcare, education, and entrepreneurship. So we will work towards the national board, national team, or all any other team across globe to promote, to support them through e-initiatives. So we will not do anything different. So you might be thinking, what do you do differently? So we are not different because we are part of the Bouncer Vision India Club, an extended club, and we are abide by the objectives of the Bouncer Vision India and Bouncer Vision Trust. So we will support all the clubs, all the national team in terms of promoting all the objectives of the trust. How do we do this? How do we do this? You might be asking, okay, we already have trust, we already have local physical clubs, how do we help? I will give an example. We have taken one of the objectives in health. Health is in a broad area. You must know health is a broad area. It's in a health of a senior citizen, health of a woman, health of a kid, health of everybody. So again, within that category, we have health of senior citizen. There are health of child. There are many facilities. There are many packages available for the senior citizens by the government of India. And there is one of the area where we can focus. We'll collect all the data of the senior citizens are available in our clubs and get their list, see where we can connect available, make them available of the government of India or government of state on their health facility. And similarly, we have 600 to 700 doctors across India, where how these doctors can be connected to senior citizens or the health of the children or the women. So that's where this E-Club will come into picture. And also will encourage and facilitate incubation. Okay, any new thoughts, any newcomer, any new young guy who can really come with a new idea, we can incubate them through entrepreneurship or to research, right from the primary to research level. Yeah, so this is the membership criteria. Who can be member of Bouncer Vision India? I mean Bouncer Vision India E-Club or International E-Club is simple, qualified professional businesswoman, anybody who is IT savvy, who has internet, who is passion towards IT, passion towards technology can join this part of. And also, how does this function works? All meetings will happen virtually, either will Skype or a conference call. This is the charter team. So since this is a global team, I'm here as a first member. And we have Rupa Ambekar from Bangalore, Preeti Rao from Delhi, Praveen Putane from Pune. Praveen, can you come here if you're here? And Vittal Jadhav from UK, he's in London, he's a doctor. And Krishna Naule from Davangere. Yeah, Swapnil Patange, can you? Yeah, Swapnil is also part of this team. And Sandesh from Mumbai. So this is the charter team. You can connect any of these team members to part of this E-Club, E-Initiative. How to join? If you have any queries in terms of how to join this club, just send us your brief introduction or your interest to join this club, and the charter team will send you an invite so that you can commit couple of hours per week, maybe per month, maybe 2 or 3 hours per week, or maybe couple of hours per month, so that you should be available for the meeting virtually, either through Skype or through conference. So this is how the e-club is going to work and get started. So you can contact any of these contact details. We already have mail IDs and phone numbers. You can contact this. And this is, again, just started. As Dilip ji was starting, ISRO was started with 6-member team. We are starting with 7-member team. And let me hope we'll grow globally a bigger team. The objective is that once we have a bigger team, we have localized e-club as well. So now I request Praveen, if you have any thoughts. I request Mr. Praveen to share his thoughts in terms of what is e-club.
I would like to first thank Narayan Raoji for taking me into this club. This is a great idea, and I would say this is a visionary thought. As he was saying that we are young, but I would say Narayan Raoji is the youngest in our group, and this kind of ideas can only be got through the people who have a vision. And I would like to say thanks to Narayan Raoji for this visionary thought. And communication is the basic need. We have seen that since 1996, with the mobile coming up, the communication has changed the entire way of living. And this is a new era. So with this e-club, I find it more easier and convenient for the people who are not able to get in touch with Bhavsar Vision in India. And as he rightly said, it should be international, Bhavsar Vision International, and we'll put all the efforts to see to it that we make it successful. Thank you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मी सगळ्यांचे आभार मानतो आणि जे काही इथे डायनामिक पर्सनॅलिटीज आपल्या समोर आहेत आणि त्यांनी जे विश्वास दाखवला आहे आमच्याबरोबर की आम्ही युवा मंचसाठी काहीतरी करून दाखवायला हवं आहे आणि मी त्यांना आश्वासन देतो की आम्ही ती जबाबदारी एकदम व्यवस्थित पार पडेल. थँक्यू.
So that's all from e-club. So if you have any questions or queries, please contact any of these people and you will be part of the e-club. Thank you very much. Yes.
Whether the regular member can join this e-club?
Yeah, there was a question whether the regular member of the existing Bhavsar Vision Club can join this club. The answer is no. So all the new members, you can't be a member of two clubs, physical club and the e-club. E-club has to be a new club. And it's can you be a member of the Pimpri Chinchwad and also the Pune? No. This is a similar thing. Thank you.
It's a really proud privilege to install first e-club in Bhavsar Vision India. Now I request all the members of the e-club to take oath. I,
Satish Jadhav,
as
the e-club member,
convener,
as the convener of e-club
of the Bhavsar Vision India, e-club, hereby promise to perform all duties of my office to the best of my ability.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.